Hello, I'm going to show you how to create new React app. I use Git bash, but you could use command line or terminal in macOS. First, I choose where I want to create. In Documents, I create my app with npx create React app command. I name it React tutorial and press enter. It could take a couple of minutes to be done and we'll wait until then. Now I go to my project route and then I run my project with npm start. It should open my app in new browser window. Now the app is running on localhost port 3000. I open separate Git bash and go where my project is located and then open it in VS Code. I open app.js file in project directory and then I remove unnecessary codes and change the text here to hello world. It changed immediately on browser.